children, how are you? I think you all are fit and fine. Today we will study the chapter number 5, Clever Tenali Ram. This is a story about Tenali. Tenali was a minister of King Krishna Dev Rai. Krishna Dev Rai was the king of Vijayanagar. Tenali was a brilliant minister of Krishna Dev Rai. He could solve the problems of his king with his calm and logical thinking. Here, this story is related to the kingdom of Vijayanagar, how Tenali solves the problem of his king. The Kotwal of Vijayanagar was worried about a string of robberies that had taken place. He sought Tenali Ram's help. Tenali readily agreed to nab the robbers. This is a story, like I told you earlier, of Vijayanagar, Krishna Dev Rai. Now there were many incidents of robberies happening in the kingdom of Vijayanagar. So the king asked Tenali to help him. Tenali at the same time agreed to catch the robbers. Tenali asked his wife to spread stories about their wealth. Soon the whole town talked about it. The robbers heard it too. Let us keep a watch on Tenali Ram. Then the king tells the Tenali Ram to nab the robbers. Tenali Ram helps him, and he said to his wife that you say about your richness to all the villagers. Then the wife of Tenali Ram started to spread the news of his richness in all the villagers. One of the robbers took up a job in Tenali's house. When all the villagers listened about the richness of Tenali, then one of the robbers thought that we should take the wealth from his house. So they appointed one person from the robbers at the home of Tenali. Then the person started to spy on them. Tenali understood their plan and decided to trick them. Tenali decided to teach them a lesson. What happens What happens afterwards? We must hide our riches from robbers. The best place would be our well in the garden. Tenali tells his wife that we should hide our wealth in the well of our village that was nearby its house. The next night, Tenali and his wife dragged a wooden box which they had filled with stones and dropped it into the well. While they did this, they made sure that they were being watched by the robber who they had hired. There was a robber and who was working at Tenali's house, and secretly he was watching everything of Tenali's house. So they made a wooden box and put some stones in it, and they put it in the well, and they were sure that whatever they are doing, every time the robber, one of the robber who was appointed at their home to watch, to take care of their home, so he was watching it, and Tenali was also known about it. The robber immediately ran to his chief. At the same time, the robber went to his chief and he told everything to his chief. He told that Tenali put a box filled with precious stones and too much wealth it is put in this well. The following night the robbers went to Tenali's house, and that person told his team of robbers that the box is in that well and we can get it. Then they started drawing water from the well and pouring it out. Meanwhile, Tenali was busy making a path for the water to flow forward, to flow towards the plants. Means we should not waste water. Tenali was a very wise person. The robbers were wasting the water of well, so he decided to use it properly. So he made a path, and the water can flow from that path, and it goes to the plants. Towards that path there were many plants, and the water was used for those plants. Soon all the beds of the plants had enough water. सारे plants में अच्छी तरह से पानी चला गया. Then what good thing Tenali did here? He used water. He didn't waste water. We should also not waste water. He was a wise person, so he did everything with wisdom. The robbers realized that they had been tricked. And then afterwards what happened? The robbers realized that they had been tricked. They tried to run away, but the Kotwal and his guards nabbed them. The Kotwal and his guards caught them. They could not run away from there. Kotwal and his guards nabbed them. The next day everyone was talking about clever Tenali Ram. Next day in the village everyone was talking about the wisdom of cleverness of Tenali Ram. Like this, Tenali helped his king. What is the story about? The story is about the brilliant of Tenali Ram. Calm and logical thinking can solve every problem. We should not get angry if we have any problem, or if we have any problem or in any difficulty. We should think with calm and wisdom. We should not take decision in hurry like Tenali Ram. Okay, thank you.